Chmelaeon.com here, doing another review for the Contigo stainless steel water bottles in 20-ounce size. Now, these ones are black and silver, but they also come in a multitude of colors. I think there's a blue and silver, as well as some other ones. There's a picture of the blue one. But Amazon link below to buy these. We'll also have a link to Contigo's full line of products. They claim for 10 hours hot and 10 hours cold because of their Thermalock vacuum insulation technology. Oh, I'm sorry, 10 hours hot and 24 hours cold, according to this packaging. We personally use these on our bikes. We love them. It's got a removable spout, easy to clean, that is BPA free, and apparently these guys have a lifetime guarantee, so if this thing, even in its stainless steel construction, somehow breaks, they should be able to send you a new one for free with a proof of purchase. Love them. Amazon link below. Check them out today. Very well made, I must say. They're steel, but they got a nice plastic top as well. They're lightweight too. Amazon link below. Chmelaeon.com also has a ton of cycling gear if you want to check that out as well as water bottles and outdoor survival stuff. And we're going to leave on that note. Chmelaeon.com out. Pick up your Contigo stainless steel water bottle today. Great for survival, outdoors, or even just for a jog.